Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube classes of Bright Stars High School. In the summer, I want to teach you the lessons from the artificial intelligence. So this book is introduced for the students of first class. So this in this book, I'm going to teach you the lessons one by one. So let us start this class. So this book AI Bytes. AI is nothing but artificial intelligence. So, according to NEP and NCF, National Education Policy, the students of first class from first class to fifth class, so they have integrated artificial intelligence in their curriculum. From our government of Telangana also has introduced this artificial intelligence. So we will learn what is there in this book. So this book is for you, for the students of the first class. So first, starting the lesson number one, we have the name of the lesson is computer. It's a smart machine. So what is a computer? Computer is a smart machine. So let us read. So the learning objectives of this lesson are natural things, man-made things, machines and computers. So what are the objectives of this lesson? We will learn natural things. Objectives means the outcomes. So after this lesson is over, we are going to learn about natural things, man-made things, machines and computer. So we will learn what is a computer, what are the natural things, what are the man-made things and what are the machines and what is a computer. So first thing, there are many things given to us by the nature. So there are many things given to us by the nature. Nature gives us many things. So we see around us many things. So these are called as what? These are called as natural things. So if you don't have this book, you can follow because I am showing this in the video. These are called as natural things. So there are many things given to us by nature and these are called as natural things. There are many things made by human beings. So human beings also made some things. So these things are called as man-made things. ఏవైతే మనుషులు చేశారో, ఏవైతే హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్స్ తయారు చేశారో, those things are called as man-made things. So do you understand now, children? So now I'll move to the next topic. Natural things. Things that are created by nature are called as natural things. So natural things means what? The things that are created by nature. Nature తయారు చేసినటువంటి వస్తువులను ఏమంటున్నాం? We are calling them as natural things. For example, plant, sun, rocks and birds. So what are the natural things? Plant, sun, rocks and bird. Okay. So these are some of the examples. Can you give some more examples of these natural things? Natural things, some more examples. Can you give some more things? Water. Water. Fire. Fire. Lakes, oceans. So all these mountains. Are these are some of the examples of natural things. So what are the natural things? These are the gifts of nature. Nature మనకిస్తున్న gifts natural things. We cannot make these things ourselves. So can we make the plant? ఒక ప్లాంట్ ని మనం సొంతంగా తయారు చేయొచ్చా? ఒక సన్ ని మనం సొంతంగా తయారు చేయొచ్చా? ఒక రాయిని, ఒక రాక్ ని మనం సొంతంగా తయారు చేయొచ్చా? No. So these are the natural things that are the gifts of the nature. Nature మనకిచ్చే gifts ని ఏమంటున్నాం? We are calling them as natural things. We cannot make these things by ourselves. So it is given by the nature. So these are the gifts of nature. సో బర్డ్ ని తయారు చేయొచ్చా? ఒక యానిమల్ ని తయారు చేయొచ్చా? లేదు. సో ఇవన్నీ కూడా దీస్ ఆర్ ద న్యాచురల్ థింగ్స్ అండ్ దీస్ ఆర్ ద గిఫ్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ నేచర్. సో నౌ ద సెకండ్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ మ్యాన్ మేడ్ థింగ్స్. సో నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్ ఈస్ మ్యాన్ మేడ్ థింగ్స్. థింగ్స్ దట్ ఆర్ మేడ్ బై మ్యాన్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ మ్యాన్ మేడ్ థింగ్స్. సో ఏవైనా వస్తువులు మనిషి తయారు చేస్తే, ఇఫ్ అ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ ప్రిపేర్స్ ఇట్ ఆర్ ఇఫ్ అ హ్యూమన్ బీయింగ్ మేక్స్ ఇట్, దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ మ్యాన్ మేడ్ thing. So these are the examples of, some of the examples are, see if you see here in the textbook, we have an aeroplane. So aeroplane, calculator, chair and book. సో దీస్ ఆర్ మేడ్ బై హ్యూమన్స్. ఇవన్నీ ఎవరు తయారు చేశారు? ఏరోప్లేన్, హ్యూమన్. ఒక బాటిల్, వన్ పెన్, సో సెల్ ఫోన్, కంప్యూటర్. సో దీస్ ఆర్ మేడ్ బై హ్యూమన్స్. ఒక మనిషి ఇవన్నీ వస్తువుల్ని తయారు చేయగలిగారు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ కాల్డ్ యాజ్ man-made things, and these are also called as what? Artificial things. So can you give some more examples of man-made things?
Door.
Door, yeah.
Window.
Window.
Sofa.
Sofa, a pen, a pencil,
book.
Book. Everything that is made by man are called as man-made things, and the other word for this is also artificial things. So this will be your first page of the lesson. So coming to the next page loki move aidam. So you have some of the examples. So now Jeremy will answer to these questions. Look at the pictures given below. Tick the natural things and cross the man-made things. So he is going to tick the natural things. Natural things annitni kuda tick cheyali, and the man-made things we will cross it. So first one, what is there? See here in the picture, what is there? Computer. So what is a computer? It is a
electronic device.
So it is a natural or a man-made?
Man-made.
Man-made. So what should you do? Tick it.
No.
Okay. Man-made things unte em cheyali?
Tick.
Sorry. Tick the natural things. Natural things ni tick cheyali, and man-made things ni cross cheyali. So ఇప్పుడు ఈ కంప్యూటర్ అనేది ఏంటి? What is a computer? What is a computer?
Man-made thing.
Man-made thing. So man-made thing ఏం చేయాలి? What you have to do? Cross cheyali. So cross it. Yeah, very good. Next. What is the next figure you see? Next picture you see?
Rock.
Rock undi. So rock is what? What is rock?
Natural thing.
Natural thing. Yeah, tick it. Very good. Next, the third picture you see, what is this? This is a refrigerator. What is this?
Refrigerator.
Refrigerator. So what is the refrigerator? Is it a man-made thing or a natural thing?
Man-made thing.
Yeah. So man-made thing em cheyali? What should you do? Cross. Yeah, very good. Next, what is the next picture?
Bus.
Bus. So what is bus? Natural thing or man-made thing?
Man-made thing.
So what should you do for man-made thing?
Cross.
Cross. Very good. Next. So see the next picture. What is there in the next picture?
Tree.
Tree. So what is tree? Tree is a natural or man-made?
Natural.
Natural. So tick the natural thing. Yes, very good. So last figure you have the sun. So what is there in the sun? What is it? Is it a natural thing or a man-made thing?
Natural thing.
So natural thing. So what should you do?
Tick it.
Tick it. Very good. So now this is a quick bot. So we have answered the questions in the quick bot. Now moving to the next point. The next one is machines. So what is the third part of the lesson? Machines. So let us read. Machines are man-made things that make our work easy. Machines are what? These are the man-made things, and they can make our work easy. For example, there is a refrigerator. So what is the work of the refrigerator?
Used to keep food clean and fresh.
Yeah, used to keep the food